One by one, mastering this English phrase easily. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English easy and fun for you. Today, we've got a special treat. We're breaking down the phrase, one by one. You might have heard it in conversations or read it in books, but do you know what it really means? Stick around to find out how to use this phrase like a native speaker. One by one is an English phrase that means individually or in succession. It's used when talking about a series of actions or events happening in a sequential order. For instance, when you say, the students entered the classroom one by one, you mean that they came in separately, one after the other, and not all at once. The phrase, one by one, has been used for centuries, and its meaning has stayed remarkably consistent. It's a simple yet powerful way to emphasize the orderliness or attentiveness given to each individual or item in a process. You can use it in many contexts, from describing how leaves fall from a tree to the way people board a bus. Let's look at how, one by one, can fit into various sentences. She answered the questions one by one, making sure not to miss any. The kids picked up the toys one by one until the room was clean. I'm checking these forms one by one to ensure there are no errors. By using this phrase, you add clarity to your sentences and convey actions with a sense of order. A common mistake learners make is confusing one by one with all at once. Remember, one by one is the antithesis of doing things simultaneously. Another tip is to not overuse the phrase where the context already implies individual action, as it may sound redundant. Now, let's practice. I will say a sentence incorrectly, and then I'll correct it using one by one. Try to spot the difference. Incorrect. The players left the field altogether after the game. Correct. The players left the field one by one after the game. Feel free to pause the video and practice by creating your own sentences using one by one. Great job today! You've learned all about the phrase, one by one, and how to use it correctly. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English speaking and writing. Don't forget to practice, and soon you'll be using one by one perfectly every time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.